So we are going to go over the floor with the neutral product. We're going to first mop. And we've done these floors multiple times. It's been a little while since we've been here. I would say last quarter. But we always start with the dry soil extraction, remove the insoluble soils and the particulates that can damage the floor here. You can see there's a lot of soil, dry particulate, insoluble soil that was underneath this rug. And we went ahead and vacuumed it up using our dry insoluble soil extraction process. We determined that it just needs a neutral product today for this flooring based on the looks. But when we clean here, we'll be able to better determine if we need to upgrade. This is a very important part of the process. This isn't a run-of-the-mill type of rental property, apartment sort of job. This is a type of job where it requires a specialist in SETT and ultra-low moisture. You know, most carpet cleaning, it's a dime a dozen, but with SETT is a niche carpet cleaning service and hardwood floor service and tile, LVP, laminate, you name it. Granite. SETT is niche and a premium service, definitely not dime a dozen, because I'm the only one doing this type of service in my town, probably in the Panhandle for that matter. Strictly SETT, not some guy that does VLM on the side and his primary service is water extraction, truck mount type of service. There's nothing wrong with that kind of service, but that's not what we specialize in. Now for the extraction portion with the SETT machine. Hopefully we don't have to do it by hand. You can start on that side into the middle, all those areas. Come out nice. So this is the third pad extraction. And we'll see what kind of soil we will get out here. Now, this is kind of like a buff polish action right here. Very minimal amount of solution. And we're kind of focused on the shine right now, as well as extracting the soil. That's the beautiful thing about this microfiber with this hog's hair pad. We get the safely aggressive action from the pad, the fiber pad, and extraction with the bonnet. So it's like extraction and polish at the same time, which is quite unique. And I got the roto set in the van on standby. Now this isn't going to remove the gouges that are in the floor, but will make the floors a lot better. Can't repair damage with cleaning. If you wanted to repair the damage, you're going to have to use a more invasive approach like sanding or a screen and recoat, but they prefer this. They feel the floors aren't at that point yet, so we're doing this method. And if they were at that point, I would say find a sanding and refinishing professional. But the floors are still looking good.